Welcome to Texas, the Lone Star State.
It is home to more than 440 butterfly species, with one of the most iconic being Danaus plexippus, the monarch butterfly. Monarch butterflies are a migratory insect who travel through Texas on their journey between the United States and Mexico.
Many Texans attempt to aid this species by planting butterfly gardens in their communities. But what people don't know
is that there's a microscopic parasite putting this species at risk. It's called OE, and it's our flowerbed's fault that this parasite is ravaging monarch populations. OE stands for Ophryacistis electroschira. It's a protozoan parasite in the phylum Apicomplexa, and it's deadly to monarch butterflies. Adult butterflies carry OE as tiny spores on their bodies. When an infected female lays eggs, spores fall off of her abdomen onto the milkweed leaves. Then, her caterpillars eat those leaves and swallow the dormant spores. Inside the caterpillar's digestive system, the spores crack open, releasing sporozoites, the active form of the parasite. These sporozoites bury through the caterpillar's gut lining until they reach its hypoderm, where they reproduce asexually throughout the caterpillar's larval stages. However, this parasite does not kill caterpillars. Instead, OE completes most of its reproduction during metamorphosis inside the chrysalis as the monarch's tissues reorganize. The parasite's reproduction interferes with the pupa's development, leading to phenotypic mutations like crumpled wings or a darkened abdomen. OE spores can also be seen under the microscope, allowing us to discern between healthy and unhealthy individuals. An infected monarch can shed millions of spores everywhere it lands, making the disease highly contagious. In the past, infected monarchs couldn't survive the long migration to Mexico, which meant that natural selection kept the disease at bay. But now, OE infection rates are rising at a rate of over 70%, and this phenomenon is surprisingly connected to human behavior. Historically, monarch butterflies used Texas as a pit stop on their journey to and from Mexico. But today, many monarchs remain in Texas year-round instead of migrating. Why? A major reason is the widespread planting of Asclepias curasavica, or tropical milkweed, in gardens across Texas. This species is attractive. It grows quickly, has bright flowers, and easily supports caterpillars.
But unlike native milkweed, tropical milkweed does not die back in the winter.
This allows OE spores to accumulate on the same plants for months, creating a reservoir of infection. It also means monarchs can breed year-round in Texas. And if there's no migration, there's no natural selection, meaning weaker infected butterflies survive and spread more spores. Today, our monarch population has declined by more than 80% since the 1990s.
But small informed changes can help enormously. Planting native milkweed species, such as
Asclepias speciosa, Asclepias tuberosa, and Asclepias vascularis, supports monarchs while interrupting the OE life cycle.
And if tropical milkweed is already in your garden, cutting it back with sterilized tools can help reduce parasite buildup and encourage monarchs to migrate back to Mexico. OE might be microscopic, but its impact is huge.
It is crucial that more people become educated about OE so we can help our communities make informed decisions about the ways we try to help this iconic species.